Have you ever dropped your phone and dreaded picking it up, fearing a shattered screen, or noticed that first scratch on your new car, a tiny flaw you can't ignore? We spend so much time and money fixing things that break, crack, and wear out. But what if our stuff could fix itself? Imagine leaving your scratched phone on your desk, and by lunchtime, the scratch is gone, or a car paint job that erases scrapes just by sitting in the sun. This isn't science fiction, it's the promise of self-healing materials. Scientists are working to make everyday objects that can repair themselves, from gadgets to bridges. Imagine bridges that mend their own cracks, or buildings that recover after earthquakes. This technology could make our world more durable, resilient, and sustainable. The science of self-healing materials is opening a door to a future where things don't just break, they bounce back. And that, my friends, is some seriously cool science. So, what are self-healing materials? Simply put, they're substances designed to repair their own damage, no human intervention needed. Think of them as materials that mimic your skin's ability to heal a cut, but for plastics, metals, and concrete. Some are soft and flexible, perfect for phone screens. Others are tough, like special concrete that seals cracks when water seeps in. The magic is in their built-in ability to restore themselves after damage. It's about fighting material fatigue, the slow breakdown that happens over time. Self-healing materials can detect tiny cracks and fix them before they become big problems. This isn't magic, it's smart chemistry and engineering. Scientists program these materials at the molecular level to respond to damage. They might use tiny capsules of healing agents, networks of tubes, or even reversible molecular bonds. The result? Materials that take care of themselves. Imagine a world where your stuff lasts longer because it heals itself. So, how do self-healing materials actually work? There are a few ingenious methods. One is the capsule-based system. Millions of microscopic capsules filled with healing liquid are mixed into the material. When a crack forms, it breaks open the capsules, releasing the liquid, which reacts and hardens to seal the crack. It's like having a tiny repair crew on standby, working automatically. Another method is the vascular system. Tiny channels run through the material, carrying healing agents to damaged spots, just like blood vessels. These can be refilled, allowing repeated healing. Then, there are intrinsic self-healing materials where the ability to heal is built into the molecular structure. Their chemical bonds can break and reform with a little heat or pressure, zipping the material back together. No capsules, no tubes, just smart chemistry. These strategies let materials repair themselves, often without us even noticing. It's a revolution in how we think about durability. Imagine a world where cracks and breaks are just temporary setbacks. Where will we see self-healing materials in real life? The answer: everywhere. Cars already have self-healing paints that erase scratches with a little heat. Imagine a minor scratch vanishing on a hot day while your car sits in the sun. For smartphones, researchers are developing screens that can repair small cracks on their own. No more expensive replacements, just a screen that heals itself. In aviation, self-healing coatings could seal tiny cracks in airplane wings or fuselages, making flights safer and reducing maintenance. Ships could use self-healing hull coatings to prevent rust and extend their lifespan. Even the smallest cracks would be sealed before they become big problems. These innovations could save money, reduce waste, and make our devices and vehicles last longer. The applications are vast, from cars and planes to ships and beyond. Self-healing materials are about to change the way we live. The future is resilient. Where did this idea come from? Nature, of course. Living things have been healing themselves for billions of years. When you get a cut, your body clots the blood, fights infection, and rebuilds tissue. No glue required. Self-healing materials mimic these biological processes. Capsule-based systems are like blood clotting. The capsules act as platelets, sealing the wound. Trees seal damaged bark with resin, just as vascular systems and materials deliver healing agents to cracks. Engineers are copying these natural networks to make man-made structures more resilient. Even animals like lizards and starfish can regrow lost limbs, nature's ultimate self-repair. While we can't regrow entire parts yet, the principle is the same. Built-in repair. By studying how nature heals, scientists design smarter, more durable materials. Nature is the ultimate blueprint for a world that can fix itself. The more we learn from biology, the better our technology becomes. Self-healing materials are nature's genius, reimagined. Let's think bigger. Self-healing materials could transform our cities and infrastructure. Concrete bridges and buildings crack over time, letting in water and causing costly damage. Enter self-healing concrete. Scientists embed capsules of minerals and bacteria in the mix. When a crack forms, water activates the bacteria, which produce limestone to seal the gap. The result? Cracks are fixed before they become dangerous. This technology could make buildings in earthquake zones safer, repairing themselves after tremors. It's safety built right into the structure. The economic impact is huge. Less money spent on repairs means more for schools, hospitals, and other needs. Infrastructure that heals itself lasts longer and costs less to maintain. Investing in these materials is investing in a safer, more sustainable future. Imagine bridges, roads, and buildings that fix themselves, protecting lives and saving money. Self-healing technology is a game changer for our cities. The future of construction is self-repairing. The sky isn't the limit. Self-healing materials are heading to space. Spacecraft face constant threats from micrometeoroids that can puncture their hulls. Imagine a spacecraft with a self-healing skin. A puncture triggers a liquid to flow in and seal the hole instantly. This could be a lifesaver for astronauts on missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Back on Earth, aviation is set for a revolution. Self-healing composites could repair minor wing damage, keeping planes safe and efficient. Even the wiring inside planes could use self-healing insulation to prevent shorts. From the outer skin to the innermost electronics, self-healing tech makes flight safer and more reliable. These advances mean fewer repairs, lower costs, and safer journeys. The future of flight is resilient, efficient, and self-repairing. Self-healing materials are taking us further than ever before. Self-healing materials aren't just about convenience, they're about sustainability. Our throwaway culture creates mountains of waste and uses up resources. If products could repair themselves, we'd replace them less often, cutting waste and saving energy. A phone that heals its own screen or shoes that mend their own soles would last much longer. This shift means fewer resources used, less pollution, and a smaller carbon footprint. Self-healing concrete reduces the need for new cement, slashing emissions. Even car paint that heals itself means fewer toxic chemicals and less energy used. Every act of self-repair is an act of conservation. This technology pushes us to value durability over disposability. By building a world that can mend itself, we're also healing our planet. It's innovation and environmental stewardship working together. We've explored the science and the possibilities. Now, imagine what else could heal itself. Self-healing technology is shifting us from fixing things after they break to making durability a built-in feature. What seems like science fiction today could be standard tomorrow. Researchers are discovering new ways to make self-repair an everyday reality. The journey is just beginning, but the path is clear. A world designed to last. Think about the annoyances in your life. Frayed cables, chipped mugs, worn-out shoes. What do you wish could heal itself? The future of this technology will be shaped by our needs and imagination. As you look around, ask yourself, what would you want to last forever? The possibilities are endless, and imagining them is the first step to making them real.